Behold, these are the elevators here at 1 Virginia Avenue condominiums in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. I think they're modernized. They probably used to be original, maybe. See? Here comes. Yep, Innovation Bruiser fixtures. It's what they have. Let's go up to 8. Close the door. Look at that. Lanterns on both sides. I like it. Diesel doozy, this is for you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's 8. I like the Innovation Bruiser fixtures as much. I'll just send this one down the basement. Hi. This place looks spooky. Let me go call the other one. I have no idea they have Florida cameras on every floor. To think of it, yeah? I think they were modernized before. Almost, yeah. I think they used to be old before, but maybe they were recently modernized. I mean, I think by Delaware, yeah. But I sure like those Innovation Bruiser fixtures. To think of it, yeah. Here it comes. Here, cab, you. Look at this cab. It's so nice. Let's go down to the basement. Yep, this cab is like a little tall than the others I filmed here. Use your certificate, emergency phone button, and capacity is 2,500 pounds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and basement. 200 feet per minute it goes. Back to 1. There's the basement, right? Goes to the parking garage. We're at 1. Confession. I do look like a kid in the candy store when I film elevators. But yeah, confession. I do, yeah. Yep, confession. I do look like a kid in a candy store when I first started filming elevators. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.